Hello everyone, and today we are going to take up a most challenging topic of this class 9th, that is osmosis and the type of solutions. What kind of osmosis will be seen in particular type of solutions? Our focus should be, first of all, the concepts should be clear. If concepts are clear, the things are getting more clearer and more understandable. Now, what I have taken before we start the lesson, I have taken a pair of resins and I have dropped it in a beaker, water. So, after we have completed our theory, we will see what has happened to this resin. Now, before we start, we must understand what is a solution. When we take solute and we mix it into water, solute and solvent, when they are mixed, then they make up a solution. What kind of solution you are going to do or make when you have taken less amount of solute? अब solute का बात आया तो सबसे पहले दिमाग में आपको पॉइंट आना चाहिए. solute means मैम के बिना हूं मैं तो I have taken salt. मैंने 1 चम्मच नमक ले लिया. सो अब मैं उसको पानी में डाल रहा हूं. Here your salt quantity is less, low salt and more of water, right? But your friend came over, your sister came over, and he took 7 spoons of salt and that much water that you have taken. Now, both of you have made 2 glasses. One is having less of salt, the other is having more of salt. Your solution will be called as hypotonic solution. Hypo, low. Rhyming is there. Po, low. Right? So, in hypotonic solution, which is basically in short called as diluted solutions, they have less of solute, and that is why this name is given hypo. Less of solute, more of water. So, this is dilute solution. You say it has higher concentration of water, less concentration of solute, or you define it this way, it has less solute, more water. Whichever way you feel comfortable, take that point from this corner. Hypotonic solution is a diluted solution. That means hypotonic solution, they have more water, less solute, less namak, less चीनी. ठीक है? और अगर concentration की language में भी say, तो we will say that it has higher concentration of water and it has lower concentration of solute. Now, what will happen to such kind of solutions? What will happen to a cell if I drop that cell in this kind of solution? Now, my friend, it's a simple thing. You have to understand. जो cell आपने डाला, वो ऐसी जगह पे गया जहां आसपास पानी ही पानी था. So that higher concentration of water will move inside the cell. So the cell placed in hypotonic solution will swell. To understand and remember, hypo, hippo. The cell will swell. So water molecules will move inside and the cell will gain water. जब आप ज़्यादा पानी लेंगे तो आपका सेल जो है वो थोड़ा फूला हो जाएगा, swell कर जाएगा. And this is what our experiment right now is there. This kishmish, this resin, it need to have, it is going to absorb water and it is definitely going to swell. So I always say, do the experiment and then come to a conclusion, okay, yes, this is what is happening. So what is our first point? We have talked about, number 1, we are talking about the hypotonic solution. That means less solute, more water. That means diluted. That means high concentration of water, less concentration of solute. And in such kind of cells, the cell will definitely swell. Cell will swell. What a rhyming. Now comes another type of solution जो आपकी सिस्टर ने बनाया था. उसे 8, 9, 10 चम्मच नमक के डाल दिए, चीनी के डाल दिए पानी में और चाशनी बना ली. Now what will happen to such kind of solution? First of all, name that solution. Yes, you will name that solution as a concentrated solution. In this concentrated solution, water concentration is less and there is a more concentration of salt or sugar, whatever you take. So such kind of solutions, they are basically the sugar syrups, the jalebi जिसमें डुबोई जाती है. So that चाशनी is nothing but your concentrated solution where पानी is less, water की concentration molecules की बहुत कम है. ऐसे सोल्यूशन को क्या नाम दिया हमने? वी कॉल्ड इट हाइपर ज्यादा हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन. हाइपो लो, हाइपर हाई. ठीक है. सो अब व्हाट विल हैपन टू अ सेल इफ इट इज प्लेस्ड इन अ हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन? इट विल सिंपली लूज इट्स वाटर. क्योंकि जितना पानी बाहर अंदर आ रहा है उससे कई ज्यादा पानी बाहर निकल रहा है. तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ जो वाटर है वो मैक्सिमम जो है वो बाहर जाने वाली ज्यादा है. वाटर गोइंग आउट इज मोर देन वाटर कमिंग इनसाइड. सच काइंड ऑफ सेल्स दे विल लूज वाटर and it will become shrink or flaccid. You can see this experiment when you will just take a slice of cucumber and drop salt onto it. Sprinkle the salt onto it. You will see that cucumber slice is going to lose water. थोड़ी देर बाद आपको पानी दिखेगा. The reason is this. What has happened there? Exoosmosis. What has happened there? There exoosmosis has taken place. Exoosmosis. Water has come out from that cell to the outside through a semi-permeable membrane, and that is the definition of osmosis. The movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane. So when such kind of cells, they lose water, the best example is slice of cucumber, sprinkle some salt onto it, it is going to lose water. देखो करो, खाते वक्त आज बनाते वक्त चेक करो कि क्या मैम ने जो बोला वो है एग्रीएबल स्टेटमेंट है कि नहीं है. अब अगर वो वाटर लूज कर रहा है तो कौन सा साइंटिफिक कंसेप्ट आया? एक्सोऑस्मोसिस. व्हाट इज देयर? इट इज एक्सोऑस्मोसिस. पानी अंदर जा रहा है एंडोऑस्मोसिस. एंटर, एक्सो बाहर. सो दिस इज माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. Isotonic with no conflicts. Isotonic solution has same amount of salt and solvent, solute and solvent. So neither the cell will shrink nor it will gain that water, right? So it will remain as such. और ह्यूमन बॉडी के सेल्स जो होते हैं, जो नॉर्मल ह्यूमन सेल्स होते हैं, उसको जब चेक किया गया तो इट वॉज फाउंड आउट दैट 1.25 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जो होगा सॉल्ट का वो इसको हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन है और 0.9% जो है वो आइसोटोनिक होता है. तो इट इज जस्ट एन एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट यू कैन हैव. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, let us recap the whole thing. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively. Everything is not going to move inside and outside. A membrane is there. Number 2, type of solutions: hyper, hypo, isotonic. What kind of osmosis is seen? If it is in hypotonic solution, then definitely it is endoosmosis seen there. If it is a hypertonic solution, then it is the exoosmosis there. The more, let us wind up with one example. I have taken an egg, right? Egg, normal egg. And we are going to place it in dilute HCl. तो उसका crust जो है, बाहर का layer है, shell है, वो निकल जाएगा. Now take that delicate egg slightly and very efficiently in a beaker. Beaker with normal water. But normal water has got certain concentration of salt, which is a hypotonic solution. Now you will see after few minutes that the egg has swollen. Ab what has made that egg swollen? Because of what reason the egg is swelling up? Your answer will be, madam, it is endoosmosis happening over here because the normal water, the water concentration was higher outside rather than inside. So the molecule started moving inside the egg and ultimately the egg swelled up. So I asked another question, beta, what kind of solution was it? Your answer will, ma'am, it has become a hypotonic solution because the cell has swelled. Now what will happen to if that same egg without a shell is being placed in a sugar syrup? Now in the sugar syrup, concentrated solution, sugar syrup, whatever you are taking, you will find that the egg has shrinked. The shrunken egg will prove that experiment that exoosmosis has happened over there. So you take raisin, you take cucumber, you take egg, whatever you take, it is basically the osmosis and the solution we are talking, the type of solution and the type of osmosis. I hope I'm able to make this concept clear, but keep reading the NCERT for a better understanding. Thank you everyone.